Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Si Senator Bam Aquino po ito. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa Cebu Normal University for the kind invitation and for the chance to speak to our future healthcare heroes today. Alam niyo po, suki na po ako sa CNU, kaya masaya po ako makapagbigay ng isang mensahe ngayong araw na ito. I want to greet the university leadership headed by President Daniel Ariaso, the faculty, and all of the proud parents and families who stood by our graduates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at sakripisyo. And of course, my biggest congratulations go to the BSN class of 2025. Kinaya ninyo lahat ng puyat, pagre-review at duty days, worth it na lahat yan today. As nurses, you're not just healers, you're leaders. And with this year's theme, Embracing Change, Inspiring Futures, you're reminded that the world needs your heart, your skill, and your courage more than ever. Wag na wag po niyong kalimutan, meron po kayong boses at kakayahang maging bayani wherever you go, kahit saan pa po sa mundo. So stand proud, serve with compassion, and keep making our country proud. Congratulations again sa ating mga nurse, mabuhay po kayo at mabuhay ang Cebu Normal University.